if you see, as I told you, mostly if you see that, smaller countries, they do better in human development. So I will tell you, I'll give you an example also. If you talk about, if you compare, now let us just compare here. So if you compare Bhutan with India. So India, Bhutan is a very poor country. It's a very small country in comparison to India, but its needs are also very basic. Okay, so they need, for this basic needs, they need very less education. Okay, they don't need so much of job facilities, or their job facilities are very basic. They need their resources also, they need very less. They're very happy with small things. Okay, and their health facilities, because of the climatic condition, the way they eat, the food culture and all, is very good. So that is why they are going much faster than compared to India. So if you see this graph right now I'm drawing here, this is Bhutan, okay, and this is India. So if you can see, it is much higher. So if you often we see that, as we have studied also, that smaller countries, as I said, even if you compare Finland, okay, Finland is a very small country compared to USA or India. Okay, so USA, if you talk about, USA has greater problems because the country is big. It's got 50 states and it's a huge population compared to Finland. So Finland is like, they have better than larger ones in human development, because they finish the goal of human development faster, because their health, because the population is small. So the focusing of small population is much faster. The focusing of small population of education is faster. The focusing of small population of resources, to give them resources, is also very easy. Okay, so similarly, if you talk about, as I said, poor nations, they have been ranked higher. So if you say that Bhutan has been ranked higher compared to India, so India is lower, as because, and compared to the rich neighbor. So if you say Bhutan's rich neighbor is India, okay, but in terms of human development, if you see, Bhutan is better than India. And another example I will give you, let me drop this. So just let me wrap this. So another example I will give you is example of poorer nations. Okay, so I'll talk about, first one is Sri Lanka, and we will also talk about a small island. Can you imagine? It's a small island, guys. It's a small island, very small island. It's called as Trinidad and Tobago. So if you talk about these, they have a higher rank compared to India. So okay, they have a higher rank compared to India, and despite, they have such small economy, such small, their national income is so small, everything, but they are very happy. You know why they are happy? Because their needs are very basic. So if their needs are very basic, their food is basic, their shelter is basic, their health conditions also, they don't suffer much, because they are basically very strong immunity system, and that is why, these smaller nations, they are doing better than India. Okay, so we will do that also. Now similarly, let's talk about India itself. So when we talk about India as a country, inside India also, there are certain states which are having very good HDI compared to the other states of India. So let us have a look at it. Okay, so let me wrap this. Okay, so as I told you, like, if I give an example, so let's talk about India. So let's talk about the states of India. That is better. The states of India comparing HDI. Okay, so if you talk about it, let's talk about a state called as Kerala. So Kerala is actually performing much better than, Punjab, okay, and even Gujarat, okay, in human development, despite, their per capita income is very less. Okay, that per capita, because what is the reason? Because their health conditions are very good, and their resources are also very good. So whatever capital they want, so most of the time they are farmers or they are businessmen, small businessmen, they are into tourism and they are into boating, and they have, and most of the Kerala people, they are very very good in health. Okay, so they are very natural, and the biggest Ayurveda is also in Kerala, so you can understand that they live a very holistic life. Okay, so their lifestyle is so good that their life expectancy is also very good, and they are used to living in nature, and their needs are also very basic, and they are very happy. So even if you're happy in spite of having small income, also you can also achieve a good human development index. And that is why, but compared to that, if you see, Punjab is a very rich country, state. Okay, and it has a very high income, all are generating very good high national income, but health diseases are happening a lot because they have a too much of tension, and the resources are also not very much, because everybody wants to become big in life, so that is also not very good. Because you must be happy with the basic standard. Okay, so you must have, as I told you, remember what I told you about HDR, that you should at least be happy with your basic standard of living. So in Gujarat and Punjab, most of the people are businessmen, and they are not very happy with the standard of living. So their goals are increasing day and day. So they are not very contented. So what is happening is they are not focusing more on the health issue. And that is why if you see, the life expectancy also is very very less here. So if you talk about here also, if you talk about here, let us now talk about some international comparisons. Okay, so let me just wrap this. Okay, so international comparisons of HDI. Okay, so as I told you also, that if you talk about, if you have a good score of 0.080, so that means you have a very high HDI. Okay, so that is human development index, and 49 countries are basically in this, in the whole world, if you talk about. And what is the score of medium? So this is medium. Let me write here high. So medium is something like, between 0.700 to 0.807. So that means it is not high, not, I will not talk about is as medium, but I will talk is that I'll say that it is high. Okay, so let me drop this. So it is high. And how many countries are here in this bracket? There are 53 countries. Okay, so 49 countries are in the very high category, that is 0.808, and high category is 0.700, I mean from 0.807 to 0.700, they are all coming. After 0.807 only you directly reach to the highest capacity of HDI. Okay, now as you know, so this is the graph. Let me talk about medium now. So let me rub this. Okay, so let's talk about medium. So medium is in the between, in the range of 0.556 to 0.699, and here there are 42 countries coming here, and they are in the medium category. So it's, the HDI is not very good, not very bad, so it's okay. Okay, so it is it's there, that means it's progressing. Let's talk about low categories. Okay, so low category is something below 0.55. So that is 43 countries are under this category in the whole world. Okay, so now let me repeat it again. So as I said, very high category, what is the index? It is 0.808. 0.808 is very high, and 49 countries are coming under that bracket. Then high is between 0.700 to 0.807. 53 countries are coming in that bracket. And what about medium, which is there in front of your screen? That is 0.556 to 0.699 is coming as medium category, and there are 42 countries here. Okay, in the low category. So even if you don't remember the name of the countries of 43 countries, at least you should know the scale or the index. So that is very important. So low category is 0.556 0.555. So anything below 0.55, so in fact even 0.555 is also very bad. Anything going down and down and down is very bad. So this is the progress report, guys. So this is the way they do. So if you talk about international comparisons, we will talk about this, and I will say also that I will talk about, now right now I will give you the current scenario, the current condition. Okay, because I will talk about 2020 statistics. If you're talking about that, which country is doing number one in HDI. Okay, so I will see you in the next class, and I will talk about the HDI. I will talk about international comparisons. I will talk about the countries which are doing very good in HDI, and we will also discuss by way of index. What is the way of index? This is the index which I am right now doing. So this is also called as development index. Okay. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. So I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.